Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 6-inch mini chainsaw from Imoum. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform. I subscribe and likes. Big shout out to Imoum for sending us this tool to test for you guys to see if it works, see if it doesn't work. Specifications: 6-inch mini chainsaw, model number DLJ-6, max cutting diameter 140 millimeter. Guide plane length 6 inches, weight 2 kilograms, battery pack lithium ion, voltage 21 volts, capacity 2 amp hour, 37 watt hours, charge input 100 to 240 volts, 8 amps max, charger output 2.1 volts, 1 amp. Made in China. Alright, so it does come with a nice case. I wasn't expecting this. I really like the case, guys. That's one thing I really like about gardening tools, that they come in with the case or something, because you're gonna start losing the parts, you're gonna start losing the batteries, the chargers, whatever. But they seem to be okay, but they're not gonna last forever. They're a little flimsy. Alright, so this kit does come with pretty much everything that you're gonna need. It does include some safety glasses from what I can look here. Alright, first thing out of the box, we got the instruction manual. Next thing you got some safety glasses. Here we got a battery, 3 different connectors. See any positive or negative? I do see somewhere you can charge there. You got a battery gauge here on the front. It does stay lid open a few seconds, so this one does have 3 bars. This is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a pack, 18.5 volts to 21 volts, 2 amp hour battery, 37 watt hours. All right, we got a second battery. Next thing out of the box, we do have, looks like another chain and some tools. Unless I have to put it on, but I think this is a spare. So this is another plus, guys. You guys gonna be able to sharpen this one, or at least have both of them sharpened, just in case you're working on those projects and you don't have the time to sharpen. All right, so this is a very cheap screwdriver, and then you got some sort of brush right here to clean your chain. Then you do, this is one thing I like about this one. You do have a file, guys, a file so you guys can sharpen your own chains. Alright, so we got the chainsaw. Have an external oil canister, which I've never seen before. This is the first time I see an external oil canister. One thing I don't like about the external canisters is that you're going to be bumping on this, obviously with the limbs and all that. But it seems to be in an okay place, protected by this engine housing and this part. It does have some sort of priming, so you guys could prime the oil, obviously get the oil in there. Chainsaw this big, I mean, I'm not going to say it's not necessary, but obviously this is not a 20-inch chainsaw. So yeah, you're going to be able to put oil in there, but it's not the end of the world there for a 6-inch chainsaw. Nice trigger. You do have to press this lock, so you guys could press this trigger. It is a click style. This is the loosen and tightening for this part, for the bar, and then you got this is to tighten up the chain basically, and then you're gonna tighten this up, and then you should be good. And then you got some sort of guard here on the top, spring activated. So yeah, you got some sort of guard. Well, there you go. So that's where it goes. It goes right there. And then all you have to do is tighten up this thing and it should be good for this guard. Next one down, looks like the charger. This is just a regular charger. It does have a LED indicator there. My guess is it'll turn green once it's full. So I gotta say, it's a pretty nice kit to start off, basically, if you don't have any tools and you have any protective equipment. So let's put this battery in here and see how this sounds like. On the bottom part, you do have a 3-prong connector, same as the battery. What? Does it want to go in or what? Alright, so the battery is a little bit hard to get in, but my guess is because it's new. So it is a brushless motor, by the way. That's one thing I do like about this thing. Alright, we got this chainsaw. Let's try it out. bad for pruning.